Hi, good afternoon, everyone. How are you,
Good
Sachin?
afternoon.
How are you?
Good,
Hey, good
good.
afternoon, Sachin. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Great to have you guys back. And let us revise what we have done last session, where we went through the outcomes. We understood what outcomes are. Then we went through the INCRED process, and then we learned how to solve the challenges that we are facing in those INCRED process. And after this, now I would like to introduce you to a very powerful thing that connects all the dots together, and that is called as power leaps. So, what are power leaps? The outcomes plus system is brilliant. It makes your outcomes seem achievable by breaking them down into power leaps. Each leap takes you closer to the final outcome. To make this work, we have to start at the end and work backwards. The human mind loves possibilities and gets charged up in the if the brain does something big and new. Get ready to change your world. So I'll just give you an example of power leaps, and that is if you can see on the manual where it is mentioned, like suppose one of the outcome of Manoj is becoming a speaker and an influential coach. So in this reference, if you look at a small power leap, a little task, that is work out which kind of people I want to coach. That is, you need to identify your tribe. The second power leap to this would be decide the coaching dates and finalize the marketing campaign launch dates. Once you are done with your training, your first step would be identifying your tribe. Second is to promote yourself. And the third power leap would be that is your, or the third can be your outcome also, in which you can always define I will coach 50 people this year where I will get rupees 50,000 each of them. So this is an example of power leap. Are you guys clear on the concept of power leap? Do you have any questions?
Okay.
Okay. So now we'll do a small activity. The activity is distributed into two steps of this power leaps. Step one is basically look at all the challenges you have written in the previous activity. Look at the ultimate outcome. Now list down at least five power leaps that will help you reach your outcome along with the deadlines for each of them. So here on page number 82, there are there is space that is mentioning power leap 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This power leaps to achieve your ultimate outcome. And after finishing this particular activity, we will move to step 2. Put each of your power leap through the refinement chart to make it even more refined and clearer. This is actually the reflection of what the outcome would be like. So let's begin.
Yes.
Manoj, can you name a few power leaps that you have planned to achieve your outcome?
Yes. First power leap would be to join a practical public speaking course.
Okay,
Second would be read books related to personality development. Read at least one book per week.
okay,
Third is volunteer to speak in public platforms whenever I get chance. Be doing it at least
great,
once in 10 days.
great.
Fourth is participate in competitions and public events.
Wow, wonderful.
Final one is take a seminar or webinar. myself without any assistance.
Wow, this sounds so amazing, isn't it, Sachin? So let's
Yes.
let's start for Manoj. This is something very wonderful that we are seeing this transformation in the team Transformers.
Yes.
So let's move to the second step of this particular activity, where on the top we are about to write the outcome statement that we have just crystallized through our INCRED process. And after that, we mention the power leap 1, power leap 2, power leap 3, 4, and 5, and action to be taken. As just now you told me that you are going to join the class and read books, and that particular things will come in a vertical way. And in the horizontal way, who is responsible for that? What do you feel, Manoj?
Yes, I will be responsible.
You will be responsible. And what do you think
Yes.
the start date of this training would be?
Start date of this training would be one course is starting from 20th of November. So that will be the start date.
Okay, and what is the due date expected that you finish this
Uh,
training?
Duration is for 3 months.
Okay, great. So by when you are expecting?
By February 20th, by end February, I will be ready.
Okay, and what are the resources that you will be needing?
For this step, I will not be requiring much resources. Everything will be taken care of in the class itself.
Okay, maybe you may have a good internet connection and that kind of technical things. That
Yes,
are
yes,
the
that might be
resources
required.
that we
Yes,
to plan.
yes.
And challenges, what do you feel in achieving this outcome? What or this power leap? What is the challenge that you may face?
No, personally, I do not have any challenge to complete this power leap. What I was lacking was to take action and join the course. So since I have passed through the process, so the challenge is already overcome. I will,
Great. And what is the outcome of this power leap?
the outcome would be great. If I will succeed and I will become a good public speaker.
Great. So now we have done this power leaps, and I think we are very much clear about how these dots are connecting in a backwards way and coming
Yes.
forward. So I guess we come to the end of this session today, and let's hope that we meet in next session to take this journey ahead. Thank you.
Yes.
Bye.